Hello guys, so today I'm showing you this really nice blue makeup look. I filmed this maybe a month ago and I was thinking either to put it on YouTube or not, but new year is very close and I want to show you some different looks, not just golds and black and red lipstick and that traditional classic New Year's Eve look. I wanted to show you something, let's say that dangerous, because I really love the color blue. It's my favorite color of all, and everything is same: concealer, foundation, and blend everything out. Nothing new to see here, and of course brown mascara. And I woke up and I felt blue on my eyelids, and I've been trying to make blue eye makeup look for a very long time. That's color that's very hard to not put on your eyelids, but to make it wearable. Yes, to make it wearable. It's not this most simple thing on the planet, and I can't find the nice matte blue eyeshadow. I'm not full happy with this one, but this is with what I have, and you just have to build up the color and just play and see what shade of blue really works for you, for your eye color and for your skin tone and everything. This is like more mermaid makeup look, more for summer, but as I said, I want to give you something more different and exciting. And I'm just checking in my mirror and looking if everything is right. Here you can really be creative with shape and dimensions, finishes of eyeshadows and everything, and I'm slightly winging that out to be more again different. Now giving me more blush, highlighter, always highlighter, no matter what. You just can't go without, you can go wrong with highlighter because it wakes up your face after blush, and tons and tons of black mascara to wake up your eyes, let's say that like that, and just nude lips, because when you wear this makeup look you really have to have some natural lips. And this is the finished result. I really hope you like it. Tell me in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!